everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing a beautiful set of nude and bling nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with the color Be The One by Madam Glam. It's like an in-between nudish and pinkish color, but it's really pretty. As always, I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down in the description. And I'm just going to do 2 coats on each nail, and they're all going to be the same as far as the polish. So I'm gonna do 2 coats and then we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and apply the second coat. So remember that when you're using gel polish, you want to make sure that you wipe your brush off as much as you can on the bottom. That way your gel is not super thick. I know some people are saying that they thought that the Madam Glam was thick. You just have to make sure that, again, you don't use too much gel. As you can see, it's not a lot on my brush, just enough to where it's gonna do a good coat. So again, I'm just doing the second coat on both hands, curing for 30 seconds, and then we'll move on to the bling. Alrighty, so after that, we're going to go in with the Mia Secret Gel Resin, and I'm going to be using some blue marble stones. I'm not sure what the name of them is for sure, but they will be on my website once it's back up and running. And I'm also going to be using a mixture of those blue stones. I'm going to use my SS6, SS12. I'm also going to be using some gold caviar as well as some pearls. So you will see me mixing it up just a little bit, but again, I'm just using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, my wax pencil, and the bling on the nails. And some of the nails will have different designs and some would just be one stoned at the tip. But again, remember, as always, just apply your bling as you go, as well as the glue. The glue sometimes will dry up a little bit faster, so make sure that you just apply it as you need it. That way you don't have just dried glue all over the place. But this set is going to be pretty simple. It takes a little bit longer because of the caviar. The caviar that I'm using is pretty small, but this is also the same one that I've had on my website before. I know I've had a lot of people asking me about the website. As you guys know, I don't have time to keep the website up, you know, full year round. So I just upload it every now and then. I try to do it as often as I can, but you guys have to, you know, realize that, or not realize, but I do have, you know, like, I do nails every day. I do my videos every day. I deal with the nail store, you know, in my everyday life. So I try to do it as often as I can. It might not be as quick for some people, but trust me, I do what I can to keep everyone satisfied. But again, as you can see here, I'm just incorporating the pearls and then also the caviar. So everything's going to turn out really, really pretty. I love the mixture of that blue, the nude, the gold, and the pearls. Everything, again, just looks so good together. Alrighty, so I did one on the pinky and the middle finger, and then for this one, it's going to be right in the middle. And as far as, you know, applying the bling, of course, you just apply the Mia Secret Gel Resin, pick the bling up with the wax pencil, and just place it however you want on the nail. It's not much that I can just explain while I'm doing this, because it's just more of, you know, just watching and learning type of thing. So I'm just going to let you watch, and I'll be back. Alrighty, so now I'm just going in with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, and then I'm going in with the IBD Gel Top Coat and applying that over all of the nails. This is the same top coat that I always use, so I'll leave it down in the description. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and cure the nails for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and let that one cure for 60 seconds. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on this other hand. Again, I'm using the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator and the gel resin. I'm using my wax pencil, my SS6, my SS12, Gold Caviar Pearls, and this blue marble bling. I guess that's what I'm going to call it. But we're just applying it on the nails. And you can just use the final look as a guide if you want to recreate this look, just to see, you know, how I place the bling. Alrighty, so we're gonna let this hang cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up, and then we're gonna get a little clip of sugar being spoiled. But anyways, here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. Again, I love those colors together, and they just look so flawless. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNo32, and I'll see you guys next time.